Hello my dear friends, I'm Gagan and in this video I'll show you the exact way that I used to make a text glow in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it right above here. There's no rocket science behind it, it'll take just 4 simple steps. So before jumping into the tutorial, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell that you guys don't miss any of my videos. And let's jump into Photoshop. Step number 1 is adding a text. You can simply add any text but make sure that it's nice and thin to give it a nice glowy effect. Step number 2, add a glow. Go to blending options, click on outer glow, adjust your settings and give it a nice soft glow. Step number 3 is painting over the text. Take a new solid adjustment layer, convert the blending mode to linear dodge, take a soft round brush and paint over the text. It will be really nice and subtle if you are using a tablet. I am going with mouse. It's all really up to you. Step number 4, last but not the least, is adding an extra glow. Take a new solid adjustment layer, invert the mask, make your brush bigger as your text and simply dab over the text. Then you can play with the opacity or you can convert it to smart object. And then you can add it to any perspective or wherever you want. So after all this, the most important step is to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell that you guys don't miss any of my videos, and share it with your friends. So that's it for the tutorial. Bye bye, see you in the next video.